See this example, ratio in which the line 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Here given equation of the line 3x plus 4y equal to 7 divides the line segment joining points 1 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 1. Okay, here given 4 ratios, sorry 4 options. Okay, see line segment endpoints, let A 1 comma 2, B minus 2 comma 1. Okay, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, here line divides the line segment in the ratio of, let k is to 1. Okay, we know actual procedure. Intersecting point P x comma y. Okay, this point divides the line segment in the ratio of k is to 1. Okay, let ratio be k is to 1. Okay, here we have to find ratio. Okay, and coordinates of the P or P x comma y is m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2. Y coordinate m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 m2, m1 is to m2 is k is to 1. Okay, we know this procedure. M1 is k into x2, x2 is minus 2, m1 is 1 into x1 1 by m1 plus m2 k plus 1. Y coordinate m1 k into y2 is 1 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is 2 by k plus 1. Okay, this is minus 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 comma k plus 2 by k plus 1. See here P, this point must lie on the line. Okay, here this point lie on the line. So here P x comma y is the solution of this equation 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Okay, so here x and y values substitute in the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 7. 3x plus 4y equal to 7. X coordinate minus 2k plus 1 by k plus 1. 4 into y value k plus 2 by k plus 1 equal to 7. Take LCM k plus 1 minus 6k plus 3 4k plus 8 equal to 7. By k plus 1 comes to this side into k plus 1. 6k plus 3 plus 4k plus 8 equal to 7k plus 7. Okay, write all k terms on one side. 6k plus 4k minus 7k equal to 3 plus 8 11 minus 11. 7 minus 11 minus 4 minus 6k minus 7k minus 13k plus 4k. It is minus 9k. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore k equal to 4 by 9. We know ratio is k is to 1. Here we get k value 4 by 9. Therefore ratio is 4 is to 9. Okay, see this is very lengthy procedure. Okay, if this question given in multiple choice questions, okay, see this is a multiple choice question. Okay, it is very time taken procedure, so we shouldn't follow this procedure. Here we should use shortcut. Okay, here shortcut is, see given equation of the line. 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Okay, here write in this equation in this way. 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, write in this way. Here we have to find ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, m1 by m2. So write in this format. 3x plus 4y minus 7 by 3x plus 4y minus 7. Okay, and put minus sign in front of this fraction. Okay, this is the shortcut. Okay, here x and y values are given points. A 1, 2 and B minus 2, 1. Okay, A 1, 2. Substitute in the equation. In denominator, the expression is 3x plus 4y minus 7. Here x value 1, y value 2. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 minus 7 by, sorry, this is numerator. 3 into, in denominator, substitute b value in this expression. 3x, x value minus 2, 4 into 1 minus 7. 3 into 1, 3, 4 2s are 8 minus 7 by 3 2s are minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. 3 plus 8, 11 minus 7, 4. Okay, 4 by minus 6 minus 7 minus 13 plus 4 minus 9. Minus into minus plus 4 by 9. See these ratios, 4 is to 9, 4 is to 9. Okay, here we get both ratios are same. Okay, see this option, option C. Option C is correct. Okay, what we have done? Here given equation of the line 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Write in this form. 3x plus 4y plus 7 comes to this side, minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, write in this form. Here we have to find ratio. Ratio is m1 by m2. Okay, 3x plus 4y minus 7 by 3x plus 4y minus 7. Okay, and put minus sign in front of this fraction. Okay, this is the shortcut. And here given endpoints of the line segment a 1, 2, b minus 2, 1. Okay, a value, a point a, substitute in the numerator, and point b minus 2, 1, substitute in the expression. 3x plus 4y minus 7. Okay, is nothing but denominator. Okay, finally we get 4 by 9. Is it clear?